The future of work isn't just about technology, it's about empowering people to achieve more. At Findability Sciences, we harness the power of AI to create an agentic workforce where autonomy and innovation thrive. Our solutions enable teams to make data-driven decisions, adapt to change, and innovate like never before. Welcome to the age of the agentic workforce. Imagine knowing what's coming before it happens. With enterprise forecasting, your team can predict customer demands, market shifts, and operational needs, allowing your business to respond proactively. From marketing to supply chain management, every decision becomes smarter, faster, and more informed. Meet your new AI coworker, the GenAI-powered Business Process Copilot. It doesn't just follow instructions, it thinks, learns, and offers insights that drive efficiency and performance. By eliminating routine tasks and enhancing decision-making, your workforce becomes more agile, innovative, and capable of tackling complex challenges. How do you measure success? With our GenAI-powered ROI calculator, you can see the impact of AI across your entire business, quantifying growth, efficiency, and value creation. At Findability Sciences, we don't just offer AI solutions, we enable transformation. We empower your people to do their best work and unlock their full potential. Are you ready to lead the change?